Hello everyone, welcome to DEA College video. My name is Yelda. Today I want to teach you some useful expressions and vocabulary that you can use whenever you're going to visit an optometrist to check your eyesight, to see if your eyes are okay or you need glasses. So the first sentence that you can see here, so whenever you go and visit an optometrist, they will tell you, okay, so go ahead and sit on this chair. So just like kind of high chair that you're going to sit on it. And they usually say, read the smallest line you can see. Okay, so just like because they will put a sheet in front of you, so you will see some letters. The first line, they're very, very big, and the last line, they are very, very tiny. So whenever you want to see, just like that, they want to see how strong your eyes are, or if they're weak, or so you need glasses or something. So at first they are going to ask you to read these letters. If you read them correctly, so it means just like read them all correctly, it means your eyes are okay. But this is one way actually they're checking your eyes with. So read the smallest line you can see. The smallest line at the bottom of the sheet usually you see. I'm sorry, that is incorrect. So not correct. So whenever you read it, probably you have some problem reading it. So say, I'm sorry, that is incorrect. Please read the next biggest line, right? So then they're going to ask you to read the biggest line. If you're successful, they're going to just like ask you to read the next smallest one, and until they find out, so just like how strong or how weak your eyes are. And they will tell you, please put your face on the eye examination machine. Okay, so they have some machine, so you have to sit there, put your chin on the pad, and they're going to check your eyes with eye examination machine. Okay, so eye examination machine. Is your vision clearer with the lens A or B? They're going to put different lenses on the machine to find out which one is more appropriate for your eyes. Okay, so you say so just like which lens, so with actually just which one of them so you can see better, lens A or lens B. So we say, is your vision, right, so just like eyesight, clearer with the lens A or B? Which one is better for you so you can see clearer, okay, with that lens? Then the optometrist might ask you to cover your left eye now, and I will test your right eye. Okay, so you have to cover your left eye with your hands, right? So you have to cover it. Then the optometrist can check your eye, will test your right eye. And then, so usually you have to do the opposite, right? So you have to cover your right eye, and then he or she can check your left eye. After that, so the optometrist might ask you, place your chin on the pad, place your chin on the pad like that. So because they want to check your eye with eye examination machine. And do not blink while I dilate your pupils. Blink means open and close your eyes, just like maybe just very quickly. But anyways, you don't have to blink, right? So you don't have to close and open. So you have to just like make it wide open. While I dilate your pupils. Dilate means just making it larger and wider. Okay, so just like with some sort of eye drops, the optometrist make your eyes, your actual pupils, larger and wider, right? So pupils is the part with the color in your eye. We call it an iris, right? So for example, black, blue, green, or brown or dark brown. And actually just like the black dot that you see just like in the middle, so we call it pupil. Okay, so whenever they want to check your eye, so they have to dilate your pupil, make it bigger, make it larger and wider to just like check it. After that, so after checking, so and then they will find out so what lens actually is better for your eye. So they say put on the trial frame and lenses. So they have some sort of trial frame with lenses. They will just like give it to you, then you can try and see if you like it, if it fits your face, and then so after that, so you can order. The other thing that the optometrist might ask you to do is stay still. It means don't move while I shine this light in your eyes, right? So usually they shine the light in your eyes for examination. Now I will test your eyes for color blindness. Color blindness, it means you cannot see the color the way it is really, right? So probably if just for example something is pink, you cannot recognize it. Or just like, so you cannot, as a, just like if you are color blindness, you cannot see the colors the way they are, right? So you will see a different color or maybe no color at all. So these are different expressions that you have to learn about the, you know, just like whenever you go to an optometrist, you might hear that. You are nearsighted. Nearsighted, it means you can see near better, not the far. Or short-sighted, and you are far-sighted or long-sighted. It means you can see just like when something is just like further, so you can see it better than just like if it is closer to you. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and you learn different vocabularies and expressions that you might use whenever actually just in your next visit to the optometrist, you can use them. And so you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and you can watch all our videos there, DEA Education Centre, and you can also follow us on Instagram, DEA Canadian College. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.